Hello traders, and welcome to Trading the Trend. My name is Dennis and this is my weekend report, and let's get right to it. What you're looking at is my strong week rankings as of close Friday, August 21st, and what we had for the week was strong euro, strong Swiss franc, and weakness was in the Canadian dollar, Aussie dollar, and then the U.S. dollar also came in very weak. The U.S. Federal Reserve released their minutes, and the market did not like what they read. The Federal Reserve is acting very dovish at this point, which means they're likely to not raise interest rates anytime soon, and that had a very negative effect on the dollar, sent the dollar lower. It also had a huge negative effect on U.S. stock markets. Stock markets got trashed both Thursday and Friday. I think the Dow was down over 500 points on Friday. Nothing quite so drastic on the currency scene, though. Some will tell you that currency trading is far riskier than stocks. Sometimes I don't think so. Let's take a look at some charts that I'm looking at here. First, let's look at the euro US dollar. We had been in a trading range, and we've had very, very limited movement, and then suddenly Wednesday we get this engulfing candle, and then Thursday and Friday we get follow through. With such a strong move, we have to assume that this is going to keep going up. Couple key areas here. We want to see these two highs here eclipsed, and I'm also looking at this area over here. So look at 115 as a area that we need to clear. When we clear that, then we should see prices move significantly higher. Well, let's go out quite a bit further and really get a long-term view of this. As you can see, going back to 2012 and 2010, the 120 area proved to have a lot of support there. So I would expect to see price move at least up to there and possibly a little bit further. 1300 certainly could come into play, and that's quite a ways from here, so there could be quite a lot of money to be made in this on the upside. And if I go out a little further, you can see this pair does have a history of some big moves down, big moves up, down, up, down, up. Even this last move up, which lasted about 465 days, trading days that is, 465 trading days, moved up about 2,000 pips. So we easily could see a 2,000 pip move here. Now let's go on to the next pair I'm looking at. Aussie US dollar. Let's back this one up. We'll get a focus on it. And this one, we basically have two weak currencies right now, and this one's just not doing much. It's been following this 34-day moving average lower, just very slow movement here, so there's not really much to do with this one. There's no real hard signals. You did get this reversal candle here, and it actually is still in play as price has not gone below that. So right now I'm not doing anything with this one. It's just not moving. There are better trade opportunities out there. Next one we'll look at is the Euro Aussie. I've been talking about this long-term head and shoulder trade on the Euro Aussie, and well, with this move up, that head and shoulders has been busted. It's no longer a valid trade. So I did get in on a pullback here, and I put in a break-even stop when prices went up. It took me out of the trade. So actually it was a very successful trade as far as I'm concerned, because I took the trade signal that was given to me. I protected my portfolio by putting in a break-even stop once I had profits, and I got taken out of the trade with no damage. So when you lose and not lose, that's a good trade, and that's what I had on this one. So going forward, this one is shooting higher, so we're going to be looking for higher prices. Let's go out a little further and see just where do we want to look at. The old head from the Head and Shoulders that I've been playing could offer some resistance. If we were to get up there, what is that, around 158? If we hit there and head lower, that would be a double top, so we'll have to watch that. If we can clear the 158 area, then if we go out further, we can see there's not really any significant resistance after that. I mean, this thing could run all the way up to 2008 highs. So I would expect this one to continue up for quite some time. So long term, we should be looking at trading the Euro Aussie higher, and also the Euro US dollar higher. Now my top strong week trade right now is the Euro CAD. Let's take a quick look at that. That also is looking great. Let's focus in a little bit on that one. We had the engulfing candle on Wednesday, and I actually had put in an order to try to get in on a pullback. Well, we never got the pullback. This thing just shot higher. Friday it really shot up high. So it's very extended right now, so I wouldn't be chasing it. I'd just have to wait for that pullback if you're not already in. But this, again, looks like it could be a good one, and no reason we couldn't see it back up to this high over here in short order after this big move here. And that's what I got for this week. I hope everyone had a good weekend, and I will catch you on my thread later.